Africa National Worldwide eMpumalanga iNtshonalanga Senyakatho iseNingizimu obingelelayo inyanga enkulu Dkt Menzo Wezinto. Baningi abantu bayabuza bathi mkhulu, what is African spirituality mkhulu? Lento yamandla itholakalaphi? Lento yamandla yenziwa njani mkhulu? Mina ngihluphekile ngizama ukufuna lento angiyifumani mina mkhulu, ngicela ungisize nami ngibe umuntu ebantwini, ngicela ungisize mkhulu nami ngikhona ukuthi ngivula amabhizinisi, ngicela ungisize nami mkhulu mani ukuthi nami ngikhone ukuba nemali, ngicela ungisize nami mkhulu ekhaya kufuneke mina ngakhe. As we are speaking kunomuntu ongibukelayo wherever it may be, Eastern Cape, East London, KwaZulu Natal, wherever it may be around the country, because abantu abanenkinga iqiniso mele silisho bagcwele umhlaba wonke, bagcwele emhlaba wonke abantu abanezinkinga. So kufuneke thina njengezinyanga sibe nalento esiyisebenzisayo noma sibe nalento soyenza to those who have problems that cannot be solved. So baningi abantu bayabuza bathi mkhulu, what is African spirituality mkhulu? Baningi abantu siyabona uyaposta ama-video, siyabona uyatypa, uyaposta, siyabona ama-shows akho kwi-TV, kwi-YouTube, everywhere umsebenzi wakho siyawubona. Mara mkhulu, awukazi usitshela ukuthi wena lento yakho mawuthi uyinika umuntu imithetho yakhona ithini, noma lento yakho mawuthi uyenzela umuntu iba into kanjani. Mina abantu abakwethu uma kuwukuthi khona into engisuke ngifuna ukuyisho noma kusuke kufuneka yenziwe esuke ishiwa abantu abadala, ayikho into engonitshela yona noma ayikho into ongoyenza bona bengangitshelanga, because umsebenzi awuziphethe uphiwa idlozi. But if kukuthi it has to be or it has to come to a fact where we have to do or I have to ukuthi ngindlalele ngikutshelele imithetho yokuthi no, mangithe enza so wenza so, mangithe ungakwenza ukuthi awukwenza ukuthi. Sikhuluma nje kunabantu abafike bayithathe lento yokuphila, umuntu afika ahambe atshele umuntu ukuthi wena once a year you need to do a sacrifice, you need to do a blood sacrifice if you want umcebo wakho ukuthi ulokhu wandile, if you want ukuthi imali lokhu ingenile, if you want ukuthi uhlezi ucebile, you must do a blood sacrifice. Baningi abantu abafikayo abangenayo imndeni, umuntu afika angenangane, umuntu afika angenamama, afika asho ukuthi mina mkhulu I'm willing to do a blood sacrifice because I've suffered enough up to a point where angisanandaba ukuthi kufa bani kuphila bani, into engibalekile njengamanje imina. So ngifike ngimunike umuntu lonto. Uma ngikunikile mina into esebenza nge-blood sacrifice, kufuneke each and every year wenze lento engizoba ngikutshela ukuthi ufuneka uyenze, lezo buya ama-rituals, because lento iyahlatshelwa, lento iyavuselela, lento iyaphakanyiswa, uyangizwa. Le mithi lena iyaphupha, kufuneke kungene emisha ivuke lento yakho kabusha, uyangi-understand. So if uzolanda into la ekhaya azi ukuthi kunama-sacrifice that you will have to do. Most people abanye who are businessmen up until today banezinto abazisebenzisayo bara ngeke abazi bakutshele. Abanye babo banesigubhu, abanye babo banesithwalo, abanye babo banesipokwe, abanye babo banabafana. Umuntu ngeke uzwazi ukuthi what exactly anayo noma yini lento le athina unayo. Abantu abaningi mhlaba wonke jikelele bayangazi, bayazi imisebenzi yami. Yes, there have been rumors ukuthi ngithwele, there have been rumors ukuthi ngake ngaboshwa ngabanjwa nama-human body parts ney'cubu zabantu, but lokho wakwenziwa ukuphakamisa umsebenzi wesigodlo nomsebenzi wamandla. If umuntu efika kumina ethi mkhulu mina ngifuna umcebo, ngifuna into yamandla, let's say you own ama-truck, if ufika uthi uyifuna lento mangikunikile ngithi mina once a year you need to do a blood sacrifice, kumele uyenze lento. Ngifuna ukuthi ikhulume because kunabantu abangithintayo abangi-inboxayo kuma-inbox, abanye baya ngi-WhatsApp, kuma-WhatsApp, abanye bayafona, ngisho ukufona kwi-call center ukuthi no dokotela please do a live, uchazela abantu ukuthi lento yakho mawuthi iyahlatshelwa isuke ihlatshelelwa ini, isuke ihlatshelelwa kanjani, because abantu badidekile mhlaba wonke jikelele. You can go from Johannesburg to Cape Town to KwaZulu Natal, bayazi abantu ukuthi bangibanika into uhlezi kunemithetho onikwa yona. There are things, it's things that you must do noma izinto that you must never do in your life. So if kuwuthi wena uyayifuna lento uyafuna futhi ukufika uyithola uyifumane, expect ukuthi there will be sacrifices that you will need to do. There's nothing for free empilweni. Akekho umuntu ophumelele owathi wayithatha lento ozokutshela ukuthi ayikho sacrifice ayenzayo. Never. There has to be something that you will do ezohlezi iphakamisa amandla ento wayilanda noma esithwalo sakho. Isiphakamiso asiwafuna ama-sacrifice because isiphakamiso asisona isithwalo. Kodwa if wena uthi wena ufuna isithwalo noma wena uthwele noma wena wathwala, kunama-sacrifice that you must do. Mina la ekhaya you do blood sacrifice. We do ama-blood sacrifice. Igazi la ekhaya liyachithwa. Angeke kuze ngikufihle lokho, ngiyakusho ku-live ukuthi la ekhaya mawuzolanda into, igazi liyachithwa. Ukuthi kuchithwe lo mndeni noma kuchithwe lo mndeni, 0730130390. Call noma WhatsApp uthi mina mkhulu, njengamanje mkhulu ngifuna unginike lento yakho mkhulu othi ichitha igazi. Mase ngiyakutshela imithetho yakhona, ngikutshela ukuthi lento mawufika uyilanda uyenza njani, ngikutshela lento mawufika naye ekhaya uyenza njani. Because we have to talk that abantu bahluphekile. We have to talk that abantu bayifuna into yokuphila mara bazi ukuthi mebeyithola, is it the one that is safe or is it the one that is dangerous? 0730130390. We are in Durban. You can phone, you can WhatsApp, book your appointment. Our call center is open 24 hours. You can ask for a prayer. If unenkinga uhlele ekhaya uyangibukela njengamanje, WhatsApp 0730130390. Any problem you may have, ucele uchief baba mprophets inyanga enkulu umenze izinto zenzeke ukuthi ucela akhulekise kule nkinga onayo. Uzokukhulekisa pho mkhulu, uzokhulekisa ku WhatsApp, keep inumber 0730130390. ukuthi usegoli, bantu basegoli Johannesburg. Make sure not to make your mistake. Book your appointment. If ukuthi ufike esikolweni you wanna come, book your appointment. I have people from all over the world abafuna ukufika bathole lento yamandla. I have people that have been contacting me from South Korea, from Swaziland, from Mozambique, from Zambia, from Zimbabwe, from Botswana, from Ghana, from Nigeria, all over the world. Bafuna ukufika bathole lento. The only problem that me and them have is agreement, nesivumelwano esoba khona, esoba imithetho noma esoba iyalo esothi lento enkunike yona uyiphatha kanjani. If mina ngikutshela ngithi mina you must do a blood sacrifice, lento wangayenza, isithwalo sami sofike sikubulale noma sithathe abantu abasemndenini wakho, okanye sivele singabulali imuntu, sivele siqoqe konke bese sikusebenzile. If wena mangitshela ukuthi lento ubuyithathile mhlawumbe ubuhamba ngezimoto zamamiliyoni, zizophela mntaka baba. Mangitshela ukuthi buhlala emzini emkhulu namabhizinisi kugcwala, kuzoba empty mntaka baba if wena i-blood sacrifice ungayenzi. I-blood sacrifice, what is blood sacrifice? 0730130390. Ongenayo joinayo manje topic yethu is about ukuthwala. Ongenayo joinayo manje topic yethu is about blood sacrifice. Ongenayo joinayo manje ongabona ulive ukuthini, type at everyone, subscribe, ufollowe, ushare le video, abantu bazokhona uba bayithole, abantu bazokhona uba bayifumane. Ungabi nomona mntaka baba ngempumelelo, ungabi nomona mntaka baba ngamandla, ungabi nomona mntaka baba ngomuthi. Iba nenhliziyo enhle ngisho kwisitha sakho mntaka baba. Listen, passing by ekuchazeni nge-blood sacrifice. If ukuthi ufikile, blood sacrifice, you do it. Blood sacrifice can be done ekuthwaleni, blood sacrifice can be done ekuphakamiseni, blood sacrifice can be done ku-Illuminati. Abantu bayabuza bathi yini Illuminati? Illuminati is a secret society. Abunakho la, nansi i-triangle la phakathi amonke umuntu umhlaba wonke ubhekile uyayibuka i-triangle le laphana phakathi, i-triangle Illuminati, i-symbol ye-Illuminati eyathathwa kwi-star. Mathi bayabheka kune-goat laphana mkhulu suke siphakamisa amandla. Lapha suke siphakamisa amandla ukuthi wena if uzongena kwenziwa i-blood sacrifice wesikuthatha sokujoinisa kwi-Illuminati, i-secret society. Kunabantu ahlezi bezwa kuthiwa Illuminati. What is Illuminati? Illuminati is a secret society. It's a secret society cult group ekwazi ukuthatha abantu ibajoinise, ibakhande babe ama-member, ithathe abantu abangazani that are not related and turn them ukuthi baze bazane and turn them into brothers and sisters, ibakhande babe umndeni owodwa even if they're not from the same family. That's why it's called a secret society. It's an organization evuliwe eyakhandwa phesheya mase yasatshalaliswa umhlaba wonke ukuthi ayibe munye, because kunzima bafowethu, kunzima ngempela. So Illuminati has a temple lodge here in South Africa. Akhona ama-temple lodge akhona la eSouth Africa. We have one in Joburg, we have one in Cape Town, we have one in Durban. There are only 3 temple lodges in Illuminati. If kukuthi uyafuna ukujoyina ube a-member, but take note, there are terms and conditions and you will need to do a blood sacrifice. So, are you willing to take the risk? Are you willing ukuchitha igazi? Wena ingabe usuhlupheke kakhulu noma usuhlupheke ngalempela ngalendlela ukuthi wena usongalichitha igazi for imali. If kuukuthi usuhlupheke ngempela, isinqumo ususenzile usucabangile amathambo engqondo wadlile. 0730130390 WhatsApp noma ufone kwi-call center usho ukuthi wena ufuna ukuthwala noma wena ufuna ukujoyina Illuminati. Usho ukuthi usuhluphekile, wena usu-ready ukwenza le sacrifice. Usucela ukuthi bakuchazele ukuthi i-sacrifice ingani, i-sacrifice eyani. Bazobe sebekutshela labantu. I have ama-agents asebenzayo laphana atrainiwe. Azofika khona ukuthi akukhulekise kwinkinga onayo noma azokhona ukuthi akunike explanation noma i-advice with anything that you may come. Kubona. So if you need them, 0730130390. We are in Durban, South Africa. Empumalanga, Ntshonalanga, iNyakatho Ningizimu. Ongena manje, share this live. We are talking about Illuminati. We are talking about blood sacrifice. We are talking about imithetho yakhona ka-Illuminati noma ey'thwalweni. Abangena abantu abashare lo live lo 0730130390. WhatsApp manje uthi mkhulu, uthi dokotela menzo wezinto, ngikhathele ukuhlupheka, ngicela ungithwalise noma ungijoyinise Illuminati. Come to Durban, book your appointment, book a one-on-one. Come and get your consultation. Uhlolelwe, ubheke izinkinga zakho, ubheke ukuthi inkinga yakho iqalaphi, ubheke ukuthi inkinga yakho isikuphi, ubheke ukuthi inkinga yakho iyaphi, idalwa yini, nokuthi izolunga kanjani. If kuukuthi uhlele ekhaya unezinkinga, uyazazi ukuthi uney'nkinga, kodwa inkinga zakho awuyikho zilungise, shoot, you are not serious about changing your life. Umuntu ofanele ngabe uhlele ekhaya inkinga zakhe akazilungisi, umuntu ongazi ukuthi inkinga yakho ikuphi, isukaphi, iqale kanjani. Wena naleyo nkinga leyo, call my call center now. Cela ama-agents ami ukuthi akukhulekise kwinkinga osuke ubhekene naye. We are with you. Sizohlezi sinawe, asoze sakulahla. Le nto iqalile yagqilazi kade yaqala yagqilazi. Ingane kaLucifer lo dokotela omkhulu umenzi wezinto baba wasibhef dokotela ujaji nganyanga. eThekwini in Durban, we are making things happen for people. 0730130390. Wena ufuna ukuthwala, wena you have a business, mara uyabona ukuthi business yakho ayiphambili, ngithinte njengamanje ngikwenzele lento. Wena ufuna ufika esigodlweni, yonke into siyenze nawe. Ngithi mina manje mntaka baba, ngithinte kuphela konke ukuhlupheka kwena. Ukuthi yo umuntu wesifazane ngomuntu wesilisa umdala omncane asigxeke la ekhaya, asibagxeka abantu la ekhaya. Wena fona uthi mina dokotela, ngiyacela mkhulu, ngiyacela khehla lami, ngiyacela ungithinte. Uthi mina mkhulu, ngikhathele ukuhlupheka mkhulu, I am ready to do the blood sacrifice. If you are ready to do the blood sacrifice, if wena uthona you want to be a millionaire, if wena uthona ufuna ukuhamba ngalezi moto thina esigijima ngazo, if uthi wena ufuna ukuhlala kule mizi esihlala kuyo, if uthi wena ufuna ubana lamandla esinawo, 0730130390. Kukwena ukuthi uyafona, kukwena ukuthi WhatsApp. If kuukuthi airtime awunayo, send a call back. One of my agents will call you and get back to you. If kuukuthi uyabona ukuthi unenkinga, you can't speak out about it, go to WhatsApp, speak to one of my PAs or my consultants or my agents. They are 100% well, bazokusiza kwinkinga osukubhekene nayo. Ucele nje ukukhulekiswa. You can uyakwazi futhi ukuthi ubhukhele ukubona umkhulu straight. I-one-on-one with the prophet. You can book your one-on-one. TV, hlezi sidlala TV every Saturday, channel 261. Don't forget our program ku channel 261 ku TV. Sihlezi sidlala njalo khona. Sivezela abantu imisebenzi, bavezela abantu izinto zokwenzela. Umuntu othi yena usuke sefikile kimi, noma umuntu ofuna ukufika kimi, uyabhokha guys. You book your appointment. You don't just boom up e-office. You don't just boom up e-chemist. You don't just boom up esigodlweni. You don't just boom up kwithempili le-Illuminati. Uyabhokha wenza into ngendlela ehlelekile. Dokotela omkhulu umenzi wezinto. I love you all my guys. Today's topic was about blood sacrifice, was about Illuminati. If you want to know more, or if you're serious about life, 073 013 0390.